Paper trading on Webull is a great way to practice trading without risking real money. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download and install the Webull app. Get the app. Download the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Or use the Webull website on your desktop. Open a Webull account. Sign up. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to access the trading platform. Access the paper trading feature. Navigate. On the mobile app, tap on the More tab or the Trade tab on the desktop version. Select Paper Trading. Look for Paper Trading and select it. This will switch you to the paper trading environment. Set up your paper trading account. Virtual funds. You will be provided with a virtual balance to trade with. This balance simulates real trading without actual financial risk. Place trades. Trade setup. Choose a stock or other asset to trade. Enter your order details such as quantity and order type. Execute trade. Submit your order as you would in a live trading scenario. Monitor and analyze. Track performance. Use a paper trading account to monitor trade performance and analyze results. Adjust strategies. Refine skills. Adjust your trading strategies based on the results of your paper trades to improve your skills before trading with real money.